There is a saying that says if you drive many hours, you are still inside Ontario. Canada is a huge country, and the cultural thing very common here is that you spend the weekends on a cottage like this one. For us, it was a magical weekend because there is something special and unique about this place. Come and see what it is special about it. Now, let's see inside of it. Come with me. Hi, hello.
But wait a
Hello.
second, before I show you inside of the house, I want to talk to you about the trip. We took 2.5 hours without traffic going from Toronto, and we rented this place that had a shared kitchen, but actually it was just a small fridge and microwave inside of the house. But you can rent like the full house, the full cottage actually, and we paid roughly 500 CAD for 3 nights, and we shared with friends like you will see here. And this is the bedroom, like the main bedroom, that's also the entrance and like the hall and everything in the house. We liked the decoration and it was so clean. We loved everything about it, but like one fact that we would like, let's say, improve was the fact that it didn't have a kitchen. So we ate most of our meals outside, but we could like have a bread and something like for breakfast inside. The bathroom was amazing, everything was clean, and they supplied everything we needed for the trip. As you can see, they love dogs, and probably you were guessing why, but you will discover at the end of the video if you stay tuned. This is one of the places we went for eating, and yummy yummy, my tummy. I will just leave you with more food so you can enjoy with us. Caesar salad.
Thank you. Pizza and pizza. In this house, they provided us food and some materials so we could make a campfire. Yesterday we were eating marshmallows and drinking some wine and looking to the open skies because in the countryside you can see more clear the skies, right? Because there aren't many lights around us, so it was beautiful.
Not only beautiful, but an adventure creating fire, out of nothing for the first time. We did pretty well, right?
Lots of snow. We're walking. How dare you?
Now, I want to show you some places we visited.
This is the lake and it's frozen.
Tell you the truth, this region is known by the famous beach they have. But, we went in the wrong season, let's say. So during the winter, things are more like isolated. But like during the summer, spring, and other seasons as well, you can find more life. Because we walked a lot and we didn't barely see anyone on the streets, and everything was like closed, seemed like abandoned, and no one was around actually. But like going in another period of the year, maybe you will find this place more alive and people go camping and they go just have fun, and it's a different vibe, they said. But seriously, just walking and having some contact with nature, it made my day. I always love to go for long walks and to explore nature in general, and there are many trails you can take throughout these mini forests around this region.
Guys, we are here in a museum, and the funny fact is that I entered for free just because the woman asked if I was a teacher or anyone was a teacher, and of course I am a teacher, and then it was free for me. Cha-cha! Amazing, right? So a good surprise, and it's like beautiful. I love museums. Do you?
Look how frozen the water was. Ooh, it was cold, but beautiful, of course. Look, they have this thing that you can clean your shoes before, enter your car. Huh, interesting, right? If you like adventure, this is a place for you.
E achei que venham, vale a pena. Meu Deus do céu! It's amazing! Uhul! Brasileirinho. Queria entrar de corpo todo agora. I would like to swim.
Keep us from pettiness. Let us be large in thought, worth and deed. Let us be done with fault finding, and leave off self-seeking. May we put away all pretense and meet each other face to face, with thoughts of pity and without prejudice. May we never be hasty in judgment and always generous.
This is what it's called, black ice, and it's very slippery. And yeah, we were trying to go on the trail, and we almost fell. Actually, me, I almost fell, and it was awful.
She was sliding down. It was so fun.
Yeah, no one recorded it, but you have to believe me. And yeah, it's a bit dangerous because we are like on the top of the hill, kind of. And yeah, the waterfalls is, I don't know, over there maybe. But yeah, adventure time.
seeing sand and snow at the same time.
Now, are you ready? Are you ready? Special things here.
It's the
The
puppy!
owners of the cottage, they are breeders, so they breed dogs, and yeah, they authorized us to play with them, and it was one of the most amazing experience I have ever had. Look at them. Look how cute they are. Now I want them all. What can I do? Send help, please.
Hello. Hello. Oh, beautiful.
E aí, como é que vocês estão achando até agora da viagem?
Hello, people. Everything's so cool. I just did my hair with my friend's Dyson. I'm feeling so beautiful.
You are.